Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into your phone. So I'll start off by actually mentioning one crucial info, which is that this applies only to people in Europe, because as far as I'm aware, the US versions of all the iPhone 14s don't have a SIM tray anymore. What you have is a big nice block of plastic that is where you would normally have a SIM tray. So US decided to remove SIM trays and you can only use eSIM. Now I might record a separate video on how you can add an eSIM because it's done differently, but this specific video will be for the typical card. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device, unlike chargers, but usually it will look something like this. I think it looks exactly like this. So anyway, once you find it, whatever your tool is, you can take off any kind of cover if you have on your phone, and you'll find the SIM tray located at the bottom left side of the phone. As you can see where the pin is holding right now. So push it in, and as you can see the tray pops out just ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it, take it out, and on the tray you have space for just a single SIM card. Place it on the tray with the chip side up, and then insert it back into your phone. The card should start working right away. Give it a moment. Okay, so once you unlock it, it takes you right here. So it gives you a message that you need to unlock your SIM card. SIM card locked. Let's press right here, and then we have 3 attempts to unlock it, as you would normally have. So I'm gonna put in my PIN, confirm it, and that's it. It's now unlocked. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.